Oh my god, am I the only one who always types their computer password to the internet search bar instead of going to the website? Okay, so I found my old Animal Jam account. I haven't played this in like 2 years or something, and I'm gonna be playing today. Anyways, let me just go check what my house thingy looks like, because I forgot. Oh my god, look at my username. Why did I do this to myself? What the heck? Oh, what? Remember, I used to love doing this stuff. Let me see. Hurry up. Load. Oh, I clicked one. Hold up. So, let's just join an adventure normal, because I'm a chicken. Anyways, let's just see what the heck I'm supposed to do in this place. Talk to me. It looks like some of the explorers were sent out and haven't come back. Hey, what does this mean? Excuse me, I'm just trying to play a game here, and you're not letting me. How rude. Anyways, guys, I figured out I can't go on missions because I don't even know what the heck is wrong with my computer anymore. So I'm just going to be playing these random games. This is taking forever. Oh, look, another person. Oh, 4 persons. Oh, another. Okay, ready, set, go. Ooh, I'm so good at this. Really? I had to jinx it. Oh, I got first place. Oh my god. How did that happen? I died. Anyways, I like switch animals. So let me see what other animals I have, because I forgot. Oh, I don't have any more animals. How sad. Let's make a new one, because why not? I don't want to though. Let's make a fellow pinguino. Yes, let's make a pinguino. Okay, let's go. Next step to make a pinguino. Oh, I can name it. Ready? Oh, wretched. Wretched chilly. Wretched chilly. Oh, right? Penguins are birds, right? So it's a wretched chilly bird. So sexy. Oh my god, I have to pay money for this? Look at this red chili bird. Oh my god, yes. Now that is what I call a name. Not that Miss Bunny thingy. Yes, red chili bird, guys. See, look at the sass in this penguin, guys. Right now, since I'm a penguin, I'm gonna go to the polo. To the North Pole, whatever you call it. I don't even know. Why would they advertise a summer carnival in a polo oh my god, you know what I mean? Why would they put an advertisement of summer carnival in a freaking winter thingy? What the heck? I go to the summer carnival thing. I don't even know what that is, but let's just do it. Do it now. Oops, why am I singing that song? That's so horrible of me. Like, I'm so innocent. I'm sorry, okay? Great. Ooh, let's make some cotton candy, people. Cotton candy machine. Choose a cone. You could make like one of those little animal thingies with that one eye. Phantom, whatever you call it. I'll teach you guys how to make the phantom cotton candy flavored. Okay, ready? I get black, then you get white, and then you get black again. Let me see if it works, because yummy. Now wait for it. Boom! Check out that eye, guys. Look how sexy. Oh, I did it. Okay, so now you guys know how to make the cotton candy bicho looking thingy. Okay? Thank me later. I just tried. So I will now leave the game. Thank you for watching, and see you on another journey and another game and another time. Bye.